Dust to binder proportion. First of all, we have to understand what is the dust. Just simple material passing number 200 C. It can also be written as 0.075 P. P means passing. Okay. Such material which is passing through the 75 micron sieve is known as the dust. Actually, this dust is going to affect our HMA. Please mark my word. This dust is going to affect our HMA. What type of effect? Let us suppose we are going to divide it into two groups. We have HMA with more amount of dust. We have HMA with very less amount of dust. Please mark my word. I am going both at the extreme. Here I have the more amount, here I have the less amount. Naturally, if some limit is exceeded, there will be some effect. So when it is having the more amount, then it is said that our durability will be problem. If it's going to affect the durability. If it is very less, it is going to affect stability. So that is why Superpave has already described its limit, that what should be the amount of dust when we are developing the hot mix asphalt, and this dust proportion can be determined by this formula, the amount of material passing through this 75 micron sieve to the amount of effective asphalt content. That's why I had told you why I am determining this effective asphalt content, because I have to determine this term, and this term is very, very important. Because if this term is violated, then we can say that our mix design is not acceptable. So let me study its value for 3 blend. Blend 1, blend 2 and blend 3. Now, PBE 4.3%, 4.1% and 4.2%. Now, how much is the material passing through 75 micron sieve? From where I have to take this value? Its answer is, when I was developing the design aggregate structure blend, there we have come to know that how much material is passing through the combined aggregate gradation, and we have already designed, we have already studied its value when we were and calculated its value when we were studying the design aggregate structure. The value comes out to be over there, P 0.075. It would be written over here 3.5, 4.2 and 3.4%. if these values are put in this equation, like, we are going to get dust proportion 0.8, nearly 1, and 0.8. And this Superpave specification says that the amount of this dust proportion should be within this range. Very important. It should be within this range. So as I see this one, this dust proportion seems that for all the three blends we are in our specified range. Clear it? Suppose, let me give you one example. If I am going to get value 1.5 over here, so it means there is something wrong. Whatever the blend we are going to get over here, it will not be acceptable. Why it will not be acceptable? Because it has violated this limit. So that is why, if this violation will occur, it means durability will be problem. And on the other hand, suppose I am going to get the value over here 0.3. It is less than 0.6, then the stability will be the problem. Clear it? Now if it is more, durability; if it is less, then it is the stability. And I have shown you over here, and it is very, very mandatory part of our Superpave Mix Design. Thank you very much for seeing me.